With the issue of some racehorses being turned away from Caymanas Park after retirement coming to the fore in recent times, a foundation was launched on Monday night at Upper Camp to assist with the care of these animals. As we'll hear in this report from Denise Walters, horsemen and women who have fallen on hard times will also get assistance through another foundation that was also launched.
Last year, TVJ Sports highlighted the need of abandoned horses in need of homes, especially geldings who were turned away from the track because they no longer served a useful purpose. Now, help is coming.
Between all of us, we're going to change the narrative of the aftercare program for retired racehorses, where they're not abused and just let loose or just left to starve because they can't run anymore or because they're just injured.
That's founder of the Racehorse Foundation for Aftercare Program, four-time former champion jockey Charles Huzzy.
We're going to work with the Racing Commission and other entities like the PCA, the police force, the different riding schools, and find a home for them and get funding for that purpose.
We are excited because some of their goals match nicely with ours. We intend to build out our retired database. It's very timely.
Also on the night, the Jamaica Thoroughbred Horsemen Foundation was launched, where current and retired horsemen and women who are in need will get assistance.
Visiting the track, and I see the backstretch workers and even jockeys. They need gears and they need equipment. We know that this is the direction that the track needs in order to assist these hard-working horsemen and women.
That's chairperson of the foundation, Charmaine Sobrati. On hand were 4 retired jockeys with 17 titles between them to help highlight the foundation.
It's very important, it's to be a road cause, to help them, like the less fortunate ones, them that they can have some kind of stability in their life.
George Hossang advocated for 1% of all purses to be donated to the foundation, and he has the pledge of Toba to help make it happen.
The owners are crying for more money as it is. I'm just saying, one lick of diggy, 1%, it won't even affect anyone really, but it will affect the needy horsemen.
Jamaican-born international jockey Sean Bridgmohan was the guest speaker.
Actually one of the more fortunate ones to have a very, very good career, but it doesn't matter what racetrack it is. If it's America, it's Jamaica, the people that takes care of the horses because they're well taken care of, and those are the people that, behind the scenes that never get the recognition that they needed.
6-time former champion jockey Omar Walker was honored on the night. Other horse racing stakeholders, including present and former jockeys, owners, trainers, grooms, SVRL, the Jamaica Racing Commission, and the Toba, all endorsed both foundations. I am Denise Walters reporting from the Officers Club at Upper Camp for TVJ Sports.